In this lecture, we are going to learn about chamfer feature in Catia. First, draw some random 3D part. You can find a chamfer command here. Here you can find two different modes of chamfer. The first one is length angle chamfer. You can assign a length from here, give 5 mm. Now assign some angle. Now select the object for chamfer. Make propagation tangency. OK. Now you can see that it creates a chamfer on this edge of 5 mm length at 30° angle. Again select chamfer. This time select length mode. Give 10 mm to length 2 and select this edge. Now you can see that it creates a chamfer of 5 by 10 mm. Again select chamfer. Give 3 mm to length 1 and 15 mm to length 2. Now select this edge, zoom a little bit to see more accurately. You can see that it created a chamfer of 3 mm as length 1 and 15 mm as length 2. So in this way, you can create a chamfer in Catia.